Okay, so inside here I have some mild jerk seasoning mixed with very spicy jerk seasoning, about a tablespoon of adobo seasoning, and I'm going to put some paprika, and then I'm going to mix it up, put a little olive oil in it. Thank you, hand. And I'm going to mix a nice little paste. The good thing about using the jerk seasoning is it already has some vinegar in it, so I don't have to put any in there. If you want, you could put some vinegar in there, but I like to have a nice, fairly stiff paste. So I can slather it on the chicken and inside of the chicken and inside of the cavity. The chicken? Go. Okay. Alright. This is our chicken. Legs, inside cavern. Now, this is where the breasts are over here. So I'm going to stick my finger under the skin, kind of clear out a way right into the leg and thigh joint. And then on this side I have to actually break through some under layers of skin and stick my finger in there again and break through. This way I can season the whole bird. So I'm going to take some of that paste, I'm going to drop it in there, then I'm going to shove it in.
Get messy, folks.
Shove it in the chicken bird. The chicken bird, really? So remember, this is a seasoned paste. This is a seasoned paste.
Ignore her husband in the background.
That is going in the chicken. So that's on one side. Then I'm going to take some sprigs of thyme. You can use rosemary if you want. Thyme tends to go well with jerk. So, and this is a jerk seasoned roasted chicken. So, and I'm going to put the whole sprigs right under the skin. And I'm going to push it down. I just folded them and pushed them down. So it's seasoning and the herbs are as far down in there. You can kind of see where the darkness is. That's where the seasoning is. And I can even kind of shake it around and push it down the skin. So I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. This is definitely messy, but you can do it. The reason you want to season under the chicken skin is because it's going to season the breast meat and the thigh and leg meat. It'll season it a lot better than if you just season on top the skin. And it's really your choice as far as how much time you want to use. Okay. Now I'm going to take some and slather it on top of the chicken. Now, because I'm going to use my handy dandy little rotisserie grill, I want to put some in the in the corner, kind of like the armpit of the chicken. Like I said, it's messy, but it'll taste good. So slather, slather. Okay. So now, here's what I do with my chicken wing. Put him, the tip, back. So it kind of tucks right back. And then I'm going to do the same with the other side. And that way you trap all that seasoning in the armpit. And you keep your little wings nice and tight. Then, last but not least, after I slather this all over, I'm going to put some in the cavern. And slather it on the inside of the breast cavern. Not just on the backbone side, because there's really not a lot of meat there.
Be reminded to take the giblets out, you guys.
Please. So the inside is seasoned, the outside is seasoned, and then right now I'm going to let this sit overnight, and tomorrow I'm going to put it on the rotisserie grill, and it will be delicious.
Thank you guys for tuning in to the Cousin's Kitchen. See you next time.